Well, this Friday, Bipasha Basu and Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Suparn Verma plan to scare you off your wits' end with the supernatural Atma, and joining me in the studio is the cast and crew of the movie. Thank you for joining us. Nawazuddin, firstly, many congratulations. The jury could not decide which was your best performance last year, so they awarded you for all three.
Wow.
What I to say?
He's a man of few words.
But
So, yeah.
It's been a long struggle, and in this 1 year, you have managed to, I mean, you feel good about it because it's been a long struggle for you.
I'm feeling good.
Truly a man of few
He's
words.
a man of few words. He has to only shine on screen. Yeah.
And Nawaz suffers from stage fright, by the way. You should see him on stage in front of a live audience.
Really?
He shivers. He's a tiger when the camera is on, but otherwise he's a quiet man.
So we will have your co-star and your director speaking for you. Bipasha, I mean, you said this was one of your toughest movies, so tell us a bit about it and what was tough about it.
Well, firstly, it's a very real film, but it's been put into the supernatural space. So there are a lot of things which are unbelievable and things which are not in our real life, but we have to make it look very believable. That, you know, these things are happening to us. And in a very convincing manner, we have to create these situations which are going to scare you, which are going to make you feel emotional. So that's very tough. Also, the fact that I get to play a mother, and there are various scenes which are written out where sometimes it's emotionally very fragile, or you know, sometimes it's soft. And you know, when you're acting with a child, it's the support that you get from the other side is the child has to like you. If the child likes you, it's great. True. But and thankfully, Doel and me, we have a great connection. But still, you know, to achieve a lot of scenes that we had a lot of scenes with the kid. I have to say, Suparn was very patient, and he really guided Doel well. And yeah, we had to like really work as like a family. You know, we had to have a very different kind of temperament on the set because, you know, it had to be a child-friendly set, and we had to like all work around her. So it was very different from other films that I've done.
Suparn, what's this, I mean, I would say Bollywood's recent obsession with Atmas and Dines? I mean, we are seeing stories about the other world, and
I think the obsession is not new. It's just that it's finally come into of its own, because number one, there's a big need for horror. There's a proper set audience for this genre in the first place. And across the world, you have many more horror films being made every year. In India, we are actually starved for this genre. Yeah. This is one genre which you have not gone into. And one of the reasons especially is that A-listers have shied away from it. But luckily with Bipasha having broken the glass ceiling there, that's really helped the genre really. And when you have Bipasha, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, you know, be part of that kind of genre, suddenly there's a lot more credibility in this. You know, there's more respectability and people take you more seriously. Otherwise, in the 80s, it was the Ramses making, you know, really B-grade campy horror, which was good fun, but it doesn't work today. You need to have the right aesthetics and the proper values, otherwise it doesn't hold.
like Bipasha, one of your fans wrote in saying that you've now become the new face of horror movies. All your horror films, the two that you've done in the past, did exceptionally well.
Right.
So this is a genre that you think is like my genre.
Well, it's a genre that you should encourage. Like he said, there is a dearth of number of good stories that are made in this genre. We have done enough of comedies, we have done a lot of masala films, we have done action, we have done all of it, and we keep touching these repetitive genres all the time. I think there is a lot of space in terms of the kind of storytelling we can do and scare audiences, because there is a separate you know, thrill of getting scared in the theatre. It's worldwide, you know, when there is a horror film, you really enjoy watching it in a theatre because of the visual and because of the sound design. So you know, I have not really consciously thought of it, but if something new is encouraged, I think it's fantastic. But for me, my choice of films, how it happens is that I need to be a part of an entertaining film, and at the same time, you know, if people write a good role for me, with some depth, with something to do, it's exciting. And Raz 3 and Atma back to back were those kind of films which are entertainers, and at the same time, you know, I have a really strong, interesting role to play. So for me, at this point of time as an actress, I think all I'm looking out is for interesting characters, and if they come in the form of the supernatural genre, I'm not going to shy away from it.
नवाजुद्दीन, आपको भी लगता है कि आजकल ऑडियंस हटके मतलब नॉट वो जो कमर्शियल टर्म हटके बोलते हैं, दूसरी काइंड फिल्म्स देखना चाहती है, जैसे नेशनल अवार्ड्स में इस बारी गैंग्स ऑफ वसेपुर हो गई, विकी डोनर हो गई, इन जैसी फिल्मों ने बहुत अच्छा किया है। जो पहले सब कहते थे क्वालिटी सिनेमा सिर्फ रीजनल सिनेमा रहता है, तो आपको ये लगता है ये ट्रेंड एक एनकरेजिंग एंड लॉन्ग ट्रेंड रहेगा?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, जितने भी लाइक या डिफरेंट जॉनर की फिल्में और अलग एक्सपेरिमेंट हो रहे हैं फिल्मों के साथ जिस तरीके से, वो थैंक गॉड अभी जो ऑडियंस भी है उनकी एक प्रॉपर ऑडियंस है। एक स्मॉल बजट फिल्म है लेकिन उसकी अच्छी खासी ऑडियंस हो रही है, तो कोई हर आदमी ट्राई कर रहा है, तो बढ़िया है। अगर इस तरह की फिल्में आती रहें तो बहुत अच्छा है कि सेट हो गया है एक नोशन के हाँ फिल्में इसी तरह की होती हैं, लेकिन लोगों को ये भी पता चल गया कि इस तरह की भी फिल्में होती हैं।
और वो जैसे आप जैसे एक्टर्स जो स्टीरियोटाइप नहीं होते, आपको लगता है आपके लिए एक कैनवस बढ़ गया है?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इसीलिए मैंने जब सुपर ने मुझे स्टोरी सुनाई थी तो मुझे ज़रा सा भी वो नहीं लगा था कि मैं क्यों ना ट्राई करूँ इस जॉनर में भी क्यों ना ट्राई करूँ अपने आप को। जैसे लोग बचते हैं, अच्छा रही है तो हॉरर जॉनर की, हमारे यहाँ मतलब इसको थोड़ा एक दूसरी सोतेला जो दर्जा दिया जाता है। हाँ
जी जी।
तो मैंने ट्राई करते हैं, क्यों नहीं ट्राई करें, इसमें क्या पता कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें निकलें। तो और डेफिनेटली वो हुआ भी स्क्रिप्ट के साथ। स्क्रिप्ट बहुत अच्छी थी और ऊपर से सुपन का जो टेक्निकली बहुत सुपर था सुपन।
But I just want to add to
तो ये
this that
सारी चीज़ें मिलके ना एक बहुत अच्छी एक खूबसूरत फिल्म बनी।
जी।
I mean, are the youngest nation on the planet right now. Also, in terms of education, the youngsters have a decent quality of education. They're earning much younger than they were before. So they all have this mindset. They're exposed to more ideas and stories, and hence I think Gangs and Wasseypur, Vicky Donor, or films like Atma will kind of help push the envelope because there's a need for it.
True. And as need for it, and Bipasha, you said in a recent interview saying that roles for women, they're never strong roles, like a Kahani would be a one-off, a Dirty Picture would be a one-off. Do you as an actress feel that people actually cringe from like making a sole woman-oriented project till date?
You know, the idea is not to make woman-oriented project. The idea is to, in a film, just write a little bit more depth for the woman. You know, we are treated mostly as accessories, and I have done many of those films. And I really am saying this right now, and I'm going to do maybe a few more. To thrive in the business, especially for an actress, it's extremely tough. And you can easily be the flavor of the season, but to last the long innings, you really have to like figure out what you really want to do. And finally, what excites you will translate in the number of years you are there in the business. Sure. So for me, it's I've never really planned my career, but thankfully I'm here for 13 years and it's been really good going. Good. And at this point of time, I'm just looking out for roles where, you know, people make an effort to write something more deeper for me. Like something which will actually, you know, I know I'll look good. I don't really worry about that.
Exactly.
But, you know, I should have that doubt when I go on set that, you know, will I be able to pull it off? My character should, you know, make me think, make me want to do and go a little beyond myself and figure things out, you know. Like Bhatt Sahab had said something really beautiful, you know, self-doubt is the road to discovery. And, you know, the actor should not think that mujhe to sab aata hai. Set pe jaake, you should feel that nervousness. Ki, kya main kar paungi, kya main kar paunga, will I be able to pull it off properly? Then only you are trying to think and trying to, you know, tap your inner energies and emotions. So for me, I really need those roles at this point of time. That's the need for me as an actor.
And Nawazuddin, आप कैसी फिल्में करना चाहेंगे अब?
Of course, हर तरह की फिल्में करना चाहूँगा और हर तरह का कैरेक्टर करना चाहूँगा.
जितनों ने प्रोमोस देखा है, बिपाशा नवाजुद्दीन unlikely pair, but I mean the promos like she's really scared of you. She's really scared. You can see that she's really scared.
But otherwise,
who was scarier?
इनको तो छोटी-छोटी चीजों से डर लग जाता है.
नवाज अब पहचान गया मुझे. The real Bipasha gets scared of even like the smallest things in the world. पर मुझे डराना बहुत आसान है, पर फिल्म में ये तो एक्चुअली बहुत डरा रहे हैं.
He's very good at his job.
Yeah, he's doing a very credible job. Yeah.
And lastly, naysayers will say, do these things exist or they don't? You know, the questions, the debate would always be, is there or is there not?
Right.
What would you say lastly to people like on Friday? What should they go for?
What should they go for? I mean, my thing is this: you want a really good story, which is going to scare the pants off you and, you know, break you down emotionally. Atma is that film. I think it's going to push the envelope of horror in a big way in this industry. And that's number one. And secondly, I think spirits exist. I mean, the soul is what memories are left behind. It's that energy and it never vanishes until you're forgotten, your spirit remains behind.
Okay, so
Wow, there's some souls sitting right around us. I can feel them.
Hello, yeah, आप चाय पियेंगे? I'm talking to one of them right now. He's standing next to you.
now before we scare our
Can you see
audience off, so well, this Friday go and watch Atma at a theatre near you. Thank you so much for joining us and
Thank
all
you.
the very
Thank
best.
you.
Thank you.